Hi students, I am Srimati from SNS Institutions, working as an assistant professor from BCom Digital Marketing and Data Mining Department. Past two videos will see in the introduction of taxation and also key principles of taxation. I think you all are clear about the two topics, and now I am going to explain the major type of taxations. This is the main part of the taxation, and government utilize various type of tax to collect the revenue, each targeting different economy activities or assets. Understanding these major categories is crucial for graphing new public service for funded. We have the 5 type of categories in taxation. First one is income tax and payroll tax, and third one is sales tax, fourth one is property tax, and fifth one is excess tax. These 5 taxes based on the to categorize the Indian citizens and also their revenues, and how citizens going to assessee eligible to pay. So the income and revenue and both going to evaluate, and then they will approximately pay the which type of tax is eligible for that assessee. First we going to see the income tax. This is the tax levied literal most state and some legal government on individuals or company earnings. For individual, it is typically based on wages, salaries, investments and other forms of income. The top federal individual income tax rate in the US created stands at 37% as of 2024 past year, and this income tax is based on always an individual salary and earnings. And next tax is a payroll tax. Primary funding social society and medicine payroll tax are deducted directly from an employee's wages, and like as PF and ESI. The society portions in 6.2% for both employee and employer up to an annual cap, while Medicare in 1.45% of both parties with no income cap, collaboratively known as FICA taxes. And next tax is we're going to show the sales tax, a conception of tax applied to the sales of goods and services. It is typically added to the purchase price at the period of sales and collected by the vendor, who when the renews it's to be tax authorities. And average state sales tax rate in the USA was approximately 6.59% in the 2023, with local sales tax often adding to the figure. And the property tax levy primarily by local governmental countries, citizens, schools, districts on the value of real estates and including land and structure. These taxes are a major funding sources of local public services such as schools and fire departments, then municipal infrastructures. The amount is usually calculated as a percentage of the property's assumed values. This is the property tax. And excess tax is there are taxes imposed on specific goods and services, often the constitutional, harmful or luxury items. For example, included taxes are gasoline 18.4 concepts per gallon, and tobacco, alcohol, and sometimes citizens airline tickets also eligible for excess tax. Excess tax can be used to discourage consumptions of certain products or to fund specific programs. And we seen the categories of major types of taxation: income tax, payroll tax, sales tax, property tax and excess tax. At a glance, I am going to recall that income tax is always based on individual and companies earnings and incomes, and payroll tax is it is a contribution from the employees wages, and sales tax is adding to the purchase price point of a sales and collected by the vendors. This is based on sales tax. And the property tax is mainly focused for including the land and structure and real estate. This is the main value of that. And or else schools, fire departments and municipal infrastructures also including this. Excess tax is mainly focusing for the harmful and luxury items. For example, so we seen the tobacco and alcohol and flight tickets also. I think this video is very helpful for you. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.